Hello, students. How are you? I am Alman Grace of Allah. I welcome all of you to online classes arranged by Tanga Fazil Madrasa. Today, I will discuss a part of changing sentences from assertive into interrogative. Do you know how many questions are there? You should know that there are three kinds of questions: WS questions, yes no question, and tag question. In WS question, there is WS word in the beginning of the sentence, and in yes no question, auxiliary verb is used before subject in the beginning of the sentence, and tag question is a short question after a sentence using only auxiliary verb and subject in pronoun. Look at the board and try to understand the differences between three types of questions. There are three kinds of questions. WS question, after WS word plus auxiliary plus subject and then other words. Yes no question, auxiliary at first, then subject plus verb or other words. Tag question, at first a sentence, then comma, auxiliary plus subject. There may be not with auxiliary. For example, WS question, what are you doing? At first WS word, then auxiliary, then subject, main verb, and sign of note of interrogation. Yes no question, are you reading? At first auxiliary verb, then subject, main verb, then note of interrogation. There may be another words after verb. Their question, at first the sentence, you are a student, comma, aren't you? This is tag question using only auxiliary plus subject, not maybe with auxiliary verb, short form of note. Then how to change sentences from assertive into interrogative? There are mainly two rules of transformation of sentences from assertive into interrogative. If there is auxiliary verb in the sentence, we shall use the auxiliary verb before the subject to make it interrogative. And if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, then we shall have to use do or does or did at first before the subject. And we must use a note of interrogation at the end of the sentence. Assertive, subject plus auxiliary plus verb and other words. Interrogative, auxiliary plus not, short form of not, plus subject plus verb and other words, and note of interrogation. Assertive, subject plus auxiliary plus not plus verb. Then interrogative will be auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Then you can see that if there is not in affirmative sentence, in assertive sentence, if there is not, then in interrogative sentence there will be no not, negative sign. And if the assertive sentence in affirmative form, there is no not or any negative word, then we shall use auxiliary plus not to make it interrogative. And rule 2, if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, that means subject plus verb, then interrogative sentence will be do or does or did plus short form of not plus subject plus verb in base form. Now look at the examples. Assertive, she has gone to Dhaka. Interrogative, auxiliary verb has will sit at the beginning, in the beginning of the sentence. Has. There is no negative sign, so we shall use short form of not with auxiliary has. Hasn't. She, subject, then gone to Dhaka. She has gone to Dhaka. Hasn't she gone to Dhaka? Another sentence. Assertive, he cannot play cricket. This sentence is negative, so the interrogative will be affirmative. Can he play cricket? Assertive, the boy studies attentively. In this sentence there is no auxiliary verb, so we shall use do or does or did. As the main verb is singular number, verb plus is or yes is singular verb, then we shall use does. Does not the boy study attentively. The main verb will be in the base form. After using do or does or did, we shall have to use base form of verb, main verb. The boy studies attentively. Does not the boy study attentively? Assertive. The boy studied attentively. The verb is in past tense, so we shall use did. Did not the boy study attentively? Study will be studied in base form. Interrogative. Then assertive. I'd rather die than wait. Here, short form of would will use in the beginning of the sentence. Would not. Would not I rather die than wait. You should remember that you must use a note of interrogation at the beginning of interrogative sentence. Now try yourself. The sentences are in assertive form, then you should transform them into interrogative sentence. Assertive. He studied attentively. It is very useful. He won't help us. She'll come soon. The girl goes to madrasa regularly. I will try to help you understand the question again. You study attentively. There is no auxiliary verb, so you should use do or does or did in the beginning of the sentence before the subject. It is very useful. There is an auxiliary verb and it will be used before it. He won't help us. Won't equal to will plus not. So will will be used before the subject and not will be omitted. She'll come soon. Apostrophe LL refers to will. So usually you will use won't in the beginning of the sentence and then will be subject. Won't she come soon? The girl goes to madrasa regularly. And there is no auxiliary verb, and this main verb is in singular number. Verb plus es. Verb plus es or es is singular verb. So we shall use does at the beginning, in the beginning of the sentence. Does not the girl go to madrasa regularly? Now match your answer with a clue. Answer steps. Now match your answers. I think you understand assertive and interrogative sentence. You study attentively. Don't you study attentively? It is very useful. Isn't it very useful? He won't help us. Will he help us? She'll come soon. Won't she come soon? The girl goes to madrasa regularly. Does not the girl? The girl goes to madrasa regularly. Does not the girl go to madrasa regularly? I think now you can change sentences from assertive into interrogative. Thank you joining our English language club. Thank you for joining